So right now I'm on a cruise and I'm wearing this dress. We're getting ready for dinner. However, I got these Nippies skin. Thank you for sending this to me. And what we're gonna do is put them on for a more smoother look. So this is what it looks like. And you get a 2-pack set. What's nice about these, they are reusable. All you have to do is rinse it and reuse it time and time again. So here it goes. I'm gonna put them on and we're gonna see if it makes it smoother look. Perfect, much smoother. I definitely can see the difference. Much smoother look. Definitely recommend for your next party. And here's the second one. And all you do is peel it just like this. And this is what it looks like. Here's a close-up. And then you put it right on. And there you go. Simple as that. And now I am ready to partay. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.